Good morning. Good morning. It is Thursday morning. I don't know, this new stuff I put in my face, sometimes it gets the eye makeup acts crazy. But good morning, y'all. How's everybody doing? I just wanted to come on and talk about public breakups, entertainment, people that are in the public eye when they break up. You know, I'm gonna just get a little personal. I had a breakup recently, and I was able to maneuver and move how I chose to move about the situation, and I wasn't under public scrutiny about it. And so I just feel like if a person, if a person is on the internet, Lord, what is that eye makeup? I don't know what it is. I don't anyway, but if your relationship is public, what I'm saying is, if you broadcast your relationship on your social media, then if there's a breakup, people are going to have an invested interest. But if you keep that separate and private, if the whole relationship has been private, all you know is that they married and they have kids and they split up, do we have the right, or should we go digging? I feel like if in a person's personal life, if they don't want you in their personal business, their personal space, then get out. Only reason, for me, this is how I take it now, just being respectful of people's privacy. What you share. Now, if you're in a relationship, your relationship is public, you have a channel, you're doing things together as a couple and everything, and one of y'all leave, yeah, I think that because you've grown what you have, that would be like Coca-Cola stopping one of their products and just abruptly stop it and doesn't say anything about it. That's rude to your customers, right? So yeah, but if you never discuss that with anybody, it's really nobody's business, in my opinion now. In my opinion. So, but because the thing is, if I didn't discuss it with you, then you didn't know, right? So that's all I'm saying. Like the situation with Tom Brady and his wife. Now Cynthia Bailey and her husband Mike, yeah, they actually even recorded their I think their wedding was recorded. I'm not really sure. Y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I watch YouTube now more than I watch TV. And I think a lot of people do. I put the flexi rods in my hair with that Vigorol stuff, and see how you can just go put your finger right through it. That's the first mousse I've ever used that it doesn't make your hair sticky and hard. But anyway, yeah, so I don't know. I just feel like even though we do things publicly, some things we want to keep private. Well, I know I do. I never got on here and said I was in a relationship. You may have heard me say something and I say my ex. But you know, we have to learn too that when people break up, it don't mean there's anything harsh, anything wrong. People just grow apart. You know, if you become more spiritually grounded than that person, sometimes you know, things like that take effect on the relationship. All kind of things. And then, you know, sometimes people let slide when they're younger. As they get older, they realize they don't want to be bothered with that. You know, it's a lot. So I just think that if they haven't sat down and included you in their relationship, then when it's over, you shouldn't dig. That's just how I feel. Because if they were comfortable enough to let you into everything, then they should be comfortable enough to let you out. But if they didn't include you, I would just say just back off, you know, and let them tell what they want to tell. If they don't want to tell, you know, and say, chuck up the deuces. It is what it is. That's how life is. The only thing permanent in life is change. It is. You will never be able to live yesterday, and you don't know what tomorrow holds. All you can do is live for today. That's all you can do. So when we go around trying to, you know, you just can't dissect every situation and know everything. You're going to base your opinions based on what you know, but there are going to be a lot of things that you don't know. So, you know, and that's why I tell people, the less you share, the less people try to figure out. Seriously. I don't know what that is. Sometimes I think I be poking myself in the eye. Yeah, the less you tell, the more people inclined to dig. You know, where I am anyway. That's just how I roll. I believe in giving people their privacy. If see, the thing about it is, if you make a living off of people in your business, then people are going to be invested. You understand? They really are. They're going to really be invested. It's like your relationship becomes like a business, you know, like I just said about Coke and the product. Your product is your business. And so people dig. So that's why, you know, like I said, I'm on here. I don't get very many views, and that's fine. I feel like, to me, my YouTube channel is a ministry. I'm serious. That's how I feel about it. And the people who come along, I hope they learn something from me. I hope they share opinions and things like that with me, because look, you can learn from a baby. And listen, it's not going to always be your friends that God put in your life to bless you. Sometimes it's going to be your enemies. So, you know, the sooner we learn that about life, the easier things going to be and the more peace you'll have. I'm telling y'all, I know. Battle tested for 57 years. Yeah, but I just feel like, you know, give people their privacy. They're already hurting. You know, divorce for some people is like death. It is. You created a life with the person and that life disintegrates, that's like death. It really is. And but you know, one thing, and you know, and there's good that come out of every situation. You understand? No matter how harsh that sound, is true. Because the one thing good, and I don't even want to say good, but the lesson I learned my mom died is, you can walk away from anybody. You can walk away from anybody. Because guess what? If the person you love the most in your life right now die, you still got to find a way to cope. If you're in a relationship with the person and they're not treating you right, you feeling disrespected and all that type of stuff, you can leave. Because guess what? You can lose somebody you love to death, and there'd be no way you can get that time back. None. So why stay and be unhappy? Man, go on with your life. Live. My brother, he passed last year. Live life. Don't let life live you. And I even put that on my about page, because that's so real. You could go through all your life just existing. But live a little. And sometimes living means you got to walk away from people and situations and circumstances. You do. You really do. So, all right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. It's a dreary day here, but it's supposed to clear up. Much love. Talk to y'all later. So wrong.